Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Director Common Octopus with the pattern head in Heartopia. So in this new spring event in Heartopia, there's a special limited octopus that called Director Common Octopus with pattern head, and here's easiest way to get it. First, you need to join the Octo entertainment event hosted by Vanya around the Whale Sea. And you can either wait for Vanya's event every day at 6 p.m. or if you don't want to wait, you can also start the event yourself by paying 2000 gold to Vanya. After that, just follow and complete the event normally. And now here's the important trick. If you are lucky, you will sometimes unlock an extra face like this. And this extra face is your chance to catch this Director Common Octopus with pattern head. And to increase your fishing luck, make sure to use a mermaid perfume or a fish attractor before fishing, because this item can help improve your chances of getting the special event octopus. And if you are lucky, you can finally get it like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.